A powerful hailstorm, accompanied by torrential rain and damaging winds, swept across parts of Japan on Thursday, June 12, turning streets white with ice, flooding roads, and disrupting daily life in several communities around the greater Tokyo region. The severe weather struck areas including Iruma and Hanno in Saitama Prefecture, Yokohama in Kanagawa Prefecture, Mobara in Chiba Prefecture, and other locations across the Kanto region. Residents reported that weather conditions deteriorated rapidly within a short period, transforming relatively calm skies into dark storm clouds, followed by intense rainfall, frequent lightning, and large hailstones. In Iruma City, heavy hail blanketed roads, sidewalks, and open fields, creating scenes that resembled a winter snowfall despite the early summer season. Videos shared by residents showed hail accumulating along roadsides and covering the ground in a layer of white ice. The sudden storm caught many people off guard, as loud impacts from hailstones echoed across rooftops, windows, and parked vehicles. Nearby in Hanno, one of the most intense phases of the storm occurred around 12:35 p.m. local time when a downburst was reported. A downburst is a powerful column of sinking air that descends from a thunderstorm and spreads outward upon reaching the ground, producing destructive winds that can resemble tornado damage. Witnesses described strong gusts capable of blowing lightweight objects through the air and knocking over outdoor equipment. Heavy rainfall quickly overwhelmed drainage systems in several areas. Streets near railway stations and busy commercial districts became inundated, with water flowing across roads like small rivers. Local traffic was slowed as motorists navigated through flooded sections and reduced visibility caused by the intense rain. In Yokohama, commuters reported rapidly changing weather conditions as thunderstorms intensified, bringing sudden hail and heavy rain that made travel difficult. Similar scenes unfolded in Mobara, where short duration but intense rainfall led to localized flooding and disrupted normal activities. The unusual hailstorm also raised concerns among farmers in Iruma. Agricultural producers warned that hail could damage greenhouse structures and onion crops currently under cultivation, potentially affecting harvests if the damage proves extensive. Many residents described the storm as one of the most severe weather events they had experienced in recent years. Social media was flooded with images and videos showing hail-covered streets, waterlogged roads, and dramatic skies illuminated by lightning. Meteorologists have frequently warned that strong atmospheric instability during Japan's rainy season can trigger sudden thunderstorms capable of producing heavy rain, hail, and destructive wind events. Authorities urged residents to remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and to seek shelter immediately when severe thunderstorm warnings are issued. While weather conditions gradually improved in some areas later in the day, standing water, slippery surfaces, and storm debris remained visible across several affected locations, serving as a reminder of the storm's sudden and powerful impact.